Sawubona Jacinta.
Hallo Kali, hoe gaan dit?
Ag, dit gaan goed man, baie dankie. Sia Kwamukela iAfriforum.
Oh hey, baie
Yes.
dankie. Ek is welkom na AfriForum.
Ja man, baie dankie vir die lekker gesprek. Ek hoop jy kom weer by ons kuier. En ja,
Definitely sizobuya size la again. Sizokhuluma izinto that are going to make the country better.
Most definitely. Ons gaan nou braai.
Aye, let's go eat some meat. We work with. I mean, AfriForum is South African. We're not against anyone because of their race. The only thing we always talk about is people who are undocumented in the country. And we're saying we're going to go to AfriForum and learn from them because it's important for us to take lessons from people if they're doing something right. And the right things that they are doing, we're going to be learning from them. It doesn't mean that we're saying now we're going to be worshipping AfriForum. That's not what we're saying because we also told them that where we disagree, we disagree. But here we want to learn on the things that you are doing correctly for the people who are in your forum. So that's part of the SA First Forum, and that's the mission that we want. We want to come up with strategies and ways that they learn to finance things like universities, how do they build them, etc., etc. So it's really a learning opportunity for us.